Hi, I'm Adriano Autino, President of the Space Renaissance International. We are living a very critical age. The Renaissance, which began more than 500 years ago, has developed through several scientific and industrial revolutions and is now aiming directly towards outer space. Should this step be misunderstood, misinterpreted, or set aside, the Renaissance will be defeated and mankind may enter into yet another dark age. Risks are real should the current global crisis win over the Renaissance, or if continuing global conflicts emerge with unpredictable consequences. Our duty is to support the Renaissance everywhere, with all of our pacific and positive means. In October, the Space Renaissance International Second World Congress updated its analysis of the status of civilization and defined our program for the next 4 years, working towards 2020. We have identified 3 essential developments, which SRI will support with outreach actions. Low-cost access to Earth orbit, protection of civilian life and health in space, a set of laws for the global governance of activities in outer space, to collate and extend international civilian rights in space. Some key technological advances, including fully reusable rockets and additive manufacturing, will allow the inception of comprehensive manned activities in Earth orbit, and the first steps for industrialization of the space surrounding the Earth and Moon region. SRI will promote and support such an ongoing process. Nothing will be easy or discounted. We have a wonderful opportunity next year to focus public attention on the civilian space development. The 5th anniversary of the Outer Space Treaty, signed in 1967. The 50th anniversary, While in 2018, the UN will convene the 4th International Conference on the Peaceful Uses of the Outer Space, UniSpace Plus 50. Defining outer space development for the 50 years which lie ahead. It is paramount that the public at large fully understands what is at stake within these few years, extending civilian rights in outer space in order to allow civilian passengers and settlers to travel, live and work in space. Something that so far has been definitely missing within any space program. Traveling in space for the few private astronauts who have visited the International Space Station was obtained under military rules. Very low protection for human life and health. No warranties, no responsibility from the agencies for possible injuries or health damages, and the long military training needed. Within the perspective of the geolunar space civilian development and industrialization, we need a full commitment both by the scientific community and by governments worldwide to solve the main life protection issues, cosmic radiation and zero or low gravity, and to define a proper outer space law system. Our Congress approved a very effective program for next 4 years, including a worldwide Space Renaissance tour to bring rock stars and rocket stars to perform together to ignite the Space Renaissance, prizes for young artists and scientists, and to develop the Space Renaissance Academy, a wide philosophical, scientific and cultural education project. But to make short a long story, we need funds. We do need your help, the support of all the Renaissance people of planet Earth. In 2016, we made several meaningful steps forward. SRI is now present in almost 20 countries worldwide. Everywhere, our members are working to aggregate supporters for local chapter activities. Everywhere, we take public initiatives. Even so, everything we plan to do basing on volunteer efforts, also implies hiring specialized services, web marketing and events management, just to name two. So the very first, very urgent step is to create a seed fund enough to hire the needed services for at least 1 year. We have started a crowdfunding campaign and we are asking you very seriously to help us. Donate what you can for our starter fund at https://go-fund-me.com/space-renaissance-tour. Thank you very much to all the Renaissance people on Earth. Ad Astra.